my gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, I am doing a review for Chloe Woody Sandals. So I've been wearing these from last 6 months and I have gathered my thoughts and I thought I will share with you guys because I just never got around doing the unboxing on this channel. So anyway, so I actually picked up this color. I was looking for black. I actually did order black one. But is that different website have like different kind of material. So the one I'll see if I can find. I think I'm pretty sure I have a clip, but I did ended up ordering the first pair from 24s.com, and I ordered the black ones. And the fabric of the black ones were like nylon kind of fabric. I don't exactly know, but I will insert either pictures next to like canvas or that one, or I will actually show you guys the footage that I actually recorded. I will put that footage somewhere just to show you guys. The size was perfect, but like where your feet sit around this area, there was so much gap. Like when I am standing, you can see that there is a gap here. I can't think of the word. What your foot called? Is it like temple of your feet? But you get an idea. You know where your foot sits here, and there was like this much gap, and it just looked weird. So and then I was like, because there is a gap, so every time like I will be walking, will it rub against my skin? I wasn't too sure, and it wasn't looking very flattering either. So I actually ended up returning that. And then I went back on their website. That's when I noticed that they do have two different materials in the same woody sandals. So this one, it's like thick kind of canvas material. And then I don't know if they do it in this cream color one as well, but they do it in the white, because when I went back on the website, they had like two different ones. When you can really tell if you will zoom into the picture, so you will be able to tell like there's two different materials of the same sandals. Anyway, so long story short, I actually ended up ordering it from Matches Fashion, and I believe that they were having 20% off that time. So, and I picked these up. I did watch few reviews. Some people loved it. Most of people said that they actually like these. Some people said you have to break them in because they're a little bit stiff. Luckily for me, I didn't. Anyway, so I actually picked up this, as I mentioned, from Matches Fashion, and my size is 37. This is how they look like. They're a little bit dirty, so I bought canvas wipes, so I'm going to clean these. But these are like beautiful. I always get like so many compliments. I'm going to put these down. I always get so many compliments whenever I'm wearing these. So these are nice for me. I didn't have to break them in. I didn't get any blisters or anything like that. I think the reason is because I do have narrow foot, like my feet is not wide. So if you have wide foot, you might need to break it in, but because I have narrow feet, I didn't have to break it in at all. Another thing I was concerned, it's like, can you see these stripes? So there is one at the bottom, it's just a plain one, and then one at the Chloe one, and then one on the top. So I felt like that's what I was a little bit worried that when I will be walking, will there be a friction and this will move, and then it may give me some cut or blister or something like that. But when you're wearing it, it does not move, and it didn't give me any blisters or anything like that. It doesn't move at all, so it doesn't really matter. So for me, as I mentioned, that I didn't have to break them in or anything like that. I love wearing them. I mostly wear them like either with dresses or with jeans, like for casual wearing. That goes with everything because the color, it's like cream and black, and cream and black will go with anything and everything. So they're beautiful, they're amazing, they look really great. The only con of these sandals, the sole. So the sole, it's like kind of, it's, I don't know, it says like it's wooden, but I'm doubted that it's wooden. It's mixed with something, like I should have read it, but anyway. So the sole, it's really stiff. Like, can you guys see it? Like when I move it, it doesn't really move, right? So it is really stiff. So, and the only cushion you have, it's like this Chloe sign here. So the cushion is underneath your heel. You can walk in them like for the whole day. For me personally, I can walk in them whole day, no issue at all. But by the end of the day, my feet will be really, really tired. And the reason is because there is no cushioning. There is no cushioning, at all. And for the price you pay, I feel like they should take this feedback and change the sole a little bit, make it softer, or add some kind of cushioning. I understand that they can't really, do the filling here because it's just like solid wood kind of material. But they have to come up an idea to make it a little bit softer, especially like around here where your feet sit. And yeah, you do have a little bit cushion here, but it's okay. I don't know like if it gives much support, to be honest. Will I buy more colors? I probably will. And the reason is because I love these. These are like so easy on the go. They're so easy to wear. They're so easy to style as well. Like it's not rocket science. They look amazing as well. I do understand that if you don't like logos, this is not for you. But I was really wanted to get a feel because I do want to get the Hermes around sandals. So I thought I will try these ones first to see, like, how much I can wear. I knew that I will be able to wear these because I bought a pair of like sandals from Kmart probably 2-3 years ago, and they were like only $20, and I have worn those to death. So I knew that, if I will pick these pieces, I will be able to wear it, and I'll like the wear per cost will be fine because I will be wearing these a lot, and I've been wearing these a lot, and they are really, really they are dirty. So I apologize if you can see how dirty they are. Like they're dirty around the edges, actually around here. So yeah, I'm going to clean these. And where we're traveling to, it's probably will be really, really cold. So I don't know, I'm going to take these with me, but I don't know if I will be able to wear it because it will be like still cold in Canada and in New York. So but I'm going to take these because just in case, and I love these. Yeah, so functionality wise and all that, I'll give 10 out of 10. For comfort wise, I will give 7. And the reason is because if you're walking for 5-6 hours, you don't have an issue. But if you're walking more than, like, suppose you're on your feet for 8+ hours, 9+hours, you just went somewhere and you've been just walking around all day, your feet will be tired. But you won't get any blisters or anything like that, but that's also depend because I have narrow foot, so I never get any blisters or anything like that. Yeah, I don't have any issue. My only issue is that the sole is not comfortable. Will I buy it again? I will probably buy black one as well because I love this. But I really wish that they can come up with an idea where they can make the sole a little bit softer so it's like a little bit more comfortable, because I do have the Steve Madden sandals, and also it's got like cushion in it, and you walk with those sandals on, it's just beautiful. My feet never get tired in those, and I have worn those to death as well. So anyway, so I feel like I was rambling a lot in this video, but I hope I passed my thought across, that you got an idea that I love these sandals. But the only con for me, it's the sole is not soft. It's really, really hard. But is it like a deal breaker for me? For me personally, it's not. But suppose if you prefer a little bit softer sole, you might have to look elsewhere, because then you won't like these, because the sole is actually hard. Hard in the sense it's not like super duper hard, but it is hard, right? Because I feel like, the price you pay, they can put a little bit more thought into it and make it a little bit more comfortable, to be honest. But anyway, so that's all for today's video. I hope this review was helpful, and if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, my gorgeous.